What's up, guys? So I ended up getting the engine out. That was a pain in the butt because it was seized up. I ended up having to pull it out with the torque converter. I've got the harness laid over here, and basically I had to take the motor mounts off and their brackets from the block. So the back one there and the one right here, and then that's the AC compressor. I took that off so it's still attached to the lines, so I didn't have to drain anything, and I left all that there. And those are the long tube headers. So you can see got my finger right in front of that, how the fitment is in here. So the passenger side was the only one that had to be modified at all. The transmission's not sitting where it normally does with the engine in, so it's touching this side, but it doesn't touch normally, so that's pretty cool. So this is the new engine that we got from a junkyard, so they kind of just cut everything out, and we are doing something really cool with this one. Rebuilding it better, because, you know, that's what I do. So I'm gonna bring you over here. We're gonna look at, this is the torque converter from Circle D that we had. You can see that it is a 3C. I think we are changing to a 4C or a 5C. I'm not sure which. I'm aiming for like a 4,200 RPM stall. So that's coming out, and that's going to be, you know, upgraded. And then we're also going to take the cams out of this engine, because we've got the Mace cams in here. We're going to have those checked for hardness and also to make sure everything is still good with them. And we're going to transfer them over to this engine. And then the timing chain kit is going to go into this one. And I am going to get the heads ported, and I'm going to get a like performance valve job and all that different stuff on these heads, because we don't know what damage is done in that one. So that's going to be all new, and that is about where we're at with this. I wasn't sure what I was doing before as far as performance, so I didn't know, I didn't want to spill the beans on that in the last video, but that's what we're looking at. Heads, cams, higher stall torque converter, and potentially a nitrous kit. But that is longer in the future. Right now, we're trying to get the engine built to get an engine into this and get it running. So that's where we're at.